Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the text-to-speech feature on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and record your video as you normally would. On the editing page, tap on the AA button to add text. Edit the text however you would like, change the color and font, etc. And then tap Done. Now you need to tap on the text. Then tap Add Text to Speech from the menu that appears. The text-to-speech voice will now read your text, and you can post your TikTok as normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.